Come here, you wretched little camera. Don't you try to get away from me. I've had enough. I've had enough of you. Got to get rid of you. Got to get rid of you. Don't try to resist. Don't try to resist. You'll just end up. I don't know if you're still on, but you're a strong little bugger, aren't you? It's okay. I can outlast your battery, you little bugger. You're not gonna get away from me this time. No, you're not.